There you go. That's filming? Yep.
This should be pretty interesting. I think this is the most trucks I've seen in a main event for these guys. Truck normal driver for that 99 Jason Cook just informed me that 82 of Colt Hill in the back of the pack right there is currently the leader of the championship right now. All he has to do is start the race and he will be the championship winner at Miller County Raceway. So let's see how hungry these Thunder Truck drivers are.
His camera quit working.
Would it be a great night for Colt Hill and that 82 if not only he could start this race, win this race, and also be the championship by the end of the night? That would be something to remember. And I believe that Colt Hill has the capability to do just that.
So Dee Norman's the guy to beat. I don't know how he got on the pole. Bill won the race and he's all the way in the back. They didn't turn it up.
See our track officials out there checking for debris.
Where Bill did. He was two fastest ones right here. They're starting up front with Bill's in the back. Bill got it worked. Ken and Colt got their work cut out. How does that work when they're the fastest? Well, because they inverted them. I know, but you got these two fastest back here and the other two fastest up front. Doesn't look fair. I'm gonna go see what's up. Yep. Hustle. Just getting in.
Dave having a little bit of fun out there. Todd Johnson and Joe out there, you see in turn one, telling these drivers, shake it around a little bit, tell us how it feels. We want to see if it looks good. These truck drivers, we don't want them going around too slick of a track, so we got to get it packed down just the right way. So if they give us the thumbs up, we'll give them probably a couple laps around here, and then we'll go to green flag racing. Before we do that, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to do a big appreciation to each one of you fans that are here tonight and those that can't make it. Please send a message to them. Thank you guys so much for coming to Miller County Raceway this season. We appreciate you guys and all your support to the county and here to this racetrack. Without you guys, we would not be anything. But we appreciate each and every one of you guys' support. So a big round of applause to each one of you guys for coming out here. We appreciate each one of you guys.
Richie made it.
these Thunder Truck drivers are anxious to make it happen. All these drivers are giving the thumbs up that the track is right where they want it to be. So we get to green flag racing here. The caution light is off and they'll get back into green. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. See, the race is not over just yet. The 61 of Dee Norman getting on to a great finish. He's got his crew a little bit of bumping in turn two, it looks like. Wrapping right there. He's trailed the 07 of Mr. Brigg, Dorty, hungry to get behind Mr. Norman again. Flag is going to fly for the 07 of Dorty over there in turn 2, spinning out again.
Who's that over there? 07, black one.
So Brigg is getting a little push start out there on the track. Get a little go, and maybe either he's going to get back to racing or head into the pits, but nicely done by these Thunder Truck drivers thus far. Dee Norman still currently in lead position. Right behind him, as I was saying throughout the race, what I'm really impressed with is that number 99 of Ty Short Stroke Cook. Normally a modified driver, but changed it up for the final race tonight and driving a Thunder Truck. He's doing a great job. He's found his line through his heat race, and he's sticking with it. It's working out great for him. Also, another impressive driver, that 29 of Racely car. Never driven on a dirt track here at Miller County Raceway, but he has also found his line. And and he's sticking with it as well. He's currently in that 3rd position, and Colt Hill moved up to the 4th position. Outside line in the 5th position, you'll see the 8 of Wow, Bill Rowley, and that'll round off your top 5. Nicely done by these Thunder Truck drivers.
Come on, Wow, Bill. Looks so much bigger than the others, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Interesting fact right now, and I wonder why Dee is hungry to win this race. Hunter Machine is his sponsor and is currently what engine he is running. And those of you who don't know, Red Hell is actually the owner of Hunter Machine in West Valley City. What he does as a sponsor to each one of these drivers, Dee Norman is actually racing one of his engines, and Red Hell will put on $100 for each driver that can win with his engine. So Dee Norman is currently in the lead position and hungry for that $100. So those of you race fans that are interested in racing, make sure you hit up Hunter Machine. Find Red Hell because the offer will still stand next year if you race a vehicle or race a race car with a Hunter Machine engine. Red Hell will pay you $100 every time you win with his engine. And now let's get back to the group.